good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Haggard Hill. So today we're going to try out this stump grinder. My neighbor's got a stump he wants me to grind, and I told him I'd come over and do it for him. But I want to practice on one of mine first to make sure I know how to run it. One of the complaints that I've watched about these on YouTube is it's hard to see from the operator station what you're doing. So what I've done, I've rigged up an old action camera down here on a magnetic mount. I'm going to try to use it as an external monitor and it's Wi-Fi to my cell phone, and maybe I can watch what I'm doing and see if that'll work out. If not, I may have to set it on a separate stand. So watch along as we give this stump grinder a whirl today. Alright, so here's the stump. Measures about 11 inches that way and about 14 that way. It's been here quite a while, as you can see, but I have no expectation about what this will do. I've never messed with the stump grinder before, so we're going to figure it out together. Alright, well that looks like it's working, but I can't see a thing from back there with my little camera, so I'm going to get a different mount, get it from a different location. So stand by. Let's try her again.
This first stump took about 15 minutes. The machine was working well. The operator still has a lot to learn.
Well, okay, folks, from what I can tell, it did a reasonably good job. My biggest complaint is you can't see. So that is going to be an issue. It's going to almost be a two-person job where you can have somebody else with you whenever you grind so they can kind of guide you, or you have to set up a remote camera operation. Let me go get a rake and we'll rake this out. Alright, here's the neighbor's big stump. It's quite a bit bigger. It's about 2 foot one way and about 3 foot the other. So I'm going to put you on time lapse as I work on this one.
By the time I was about finished with this stump, I sort of got it figured out. Hopefully, I'll be a little faster next time. We'll find out.
Well, folks, I know it works and it'll grind a stump. I wouldn't want to do this as a business, though, because that big stump, it was about 2.5 by 3 foot, and it took me about an hour and a half to do that. It works. It's slow. It's great for a homeowner if you're doing projects for family or something like that. I did notice that I had a hydraulic leak, and this fitting right here was loose, so I had to tighten it up. I've started it back up. No leaks now. That's the only issues that I had out of it. But I'm going to get it greased back up, and I've got another little stump over in my yard that I'm going to take care of. I appreciate you stopping by Haggett Hill and watching me grind a couple stumps today. I'll be using this machine and my other attachments more as time goes on, so be sure to like and subscribe if you like the content. It helps my channel grow. Stop back by and see us again here sometime on Haggard Hill. It'll be firewood cutting season before long. Luckily, I already got some cut up, but I always need some more. I do appreciate you watching and making comments. Please remember, Jesus Christ loves you. Stop back by and see you.